Shut up and sit down.
Unity is strength essay. Essay on unity is strength for students and children in English. Bad things can spread rapidly, but unity in life can stop spreading bad things in human life. Nowadays, coronavirus is spreading rapidly and affecting many human lives. So, if people are united, then they can stop spreading this virus and save many lives. Unity brings victory and success. Many things cannot be performed without unity. So, wherever unity is necessary, we should adopt it. Unity is a strong pillar of the nation's empowerment. We should always encourage collaboration to achieve great things in life. Importance of unity is strength. Unity's strength is the capacity to defeat any obstacles that exist in this world. It is said that anyone can break a single stick, but it is difficult to break a bunch of sticks. Unity brings strength in our life to face any situation without becoming weak mentally or physically. Unity is important not only in our social life but also in our personal life. Unity is essential in family, society, country, and also in the workplace. As we all have known our players play as a team and win the matches and provide pride to their country. Individual players cannot win the matches. So unity in players help them to win over stronger teams. Even our freedom fighters became united to bring independence to India. It is said that unity is a powerful weapon to become successful in trade and commerce. Even our national festivals bring unity in people to celebrate and enjoy it with happiness. Unity can be established only when an individual has faith in the people of his or her group. Unity has the power to conquer the world and change the rules. People with unity can live a stress-free life as they solve problems together. Impact on nation and life. The strength of unity impacts the growth of the nation. The unity of a country plays an important role in its socio-economic growth. Without unity, countries will lead to disintegration. Our country completely depends on the power of unity. India is a country of different religions and communities, but all the people are proud to be Indians. Unity also impacts the relationship of human life. Unity in family members makes the relationship stronger. It encourages staying strong even in difficult situations. Unity in a family helps them to fight against physical and financial problems with mental support. Unity in a family can build a good environment for their children. But if there is no unity in any relationship, then it could lead to misunderstandings. People can fight against negative power with unity. Unity in a nation can solve any social issue like poverty, terrorism, child labor, pollution, corruption, or overpopulation. Solving any issue is not impossible. It just needs teamwork with unity in their thoughts and efforts. Unity in people can make a country safe and secure. Unity among citizens of a nation can overcome any kind of national crisis. Conclusion. We all should understand the importance of unity as the strength to maintain socio-economic growth. We all should collaborate to maintain the unity of our nation. Unity is the strength of any living thing that exists in this world, either humans or birds or animals. The strength of unity is the same for all and gives various advantages. Encouragement, understanding, trust, and support maintain unity within people. It is said that people can be united because of their needs, not for their interest. All of us need to maintain unity by forgetting competitiveness and working together towards the growth of our society.